everyone. For today's video, I will be teaching you how you can hide photos on your phone and how you can find the hidden album. First step, open Photos on your phone and click the photo that you want to hide. Once you've clicked the photos, just click the three dots at the top right corner of your screen, and here you'll see the option to hide the photo. Just press hide and it will automatically be transferred into a hidden album. As you can see here, you can choose to show or hide the hidden album in settings. Now, to locate the hidden album, just press back and press the album's icon at the bottom part of your screen. On the album's page, just scroll down until you see the utilities, and here you'll see a hidden album. It will require a Face ID or password to open, and here you'll see all the photos that you've previously hidden. You can easily bring back the hidden photos to your regular album by pressing the three dots at the bottom right part of your screen and by pressing the unhide button. That's all for this tutorial. If this helped you, don't forget to press like and subscribe.